Good morning, my dear students. Students, today I am going to start a new concept. And the concept is reproduction in human beings. Students, as we discussed a lot about sexual reproduction in flowering plant, similar to it, reproduction in human being, which is referred as sexual reproduction, involves fusion of male and female gametes. Now, students, I want to tell you that ठीक है in human beings there are two types of reproductive organ which are called as male reproductive organ as well as female reproductive organ. ठीक है, and the male reproductive organ are called testes while the female reproductive organs are called as ovary. One more thing I want to tell you that now at the time of the birth, when a male as well as female is going to take birth, the reproductive organs are not functionally active. Now, after some time or after some age, they become sexually mature and start to produce gametes. Is it clear? And this time period or this duration is called as puberty. Now, I am repeating once again, human beings which are for performing sexual reproduction have two types of individuals, male individual and female individuals. Male individual possess testis as a sexually reproducing organ, while female individual possess ovary as a female reproductive organ. Once again, I am telling you that these are not fully matured or these are not functional by the time of the birth. After few years or after a long duration of time, the individual becomes sexually active. Why? Because at that time the sexual organs are becoming functional. Now I am telling you that in males the sexual maturity uh, comes at the age of 13 to 14 year, means when the child becomes 13 to 14 year old, then the sexual maturity comes, while in case of the females the sexual maturity comes little bit earlier, at the age is 10 to 12 years. Okay, and this age when an individual is attaining sexual maturity, it is called as age of puberty, and this age is called as puberty. Now what happens at this age? What happens at the age of the puberty? Now the testes and ovary are going to be start viable gametes. Here viable means active gametes, and also secrete some hormones, testosterone, male hormones, as well as estrogen and progesterone, female hormones. So I mean to say that during the age of the puberty, the testis is going to start to or I mean to say that the testis is going to produce male gamete which is called as sperm, while the female reproductive organ at the age of puberty is going to start release ovum, ठीक है, the female gamete. Except it at the same time the male sexual organ or which is called as testis, it also produces one very important hormone, male hormone. It is called as testosterone, while the female reproductive organ ovary also produces two hormones, estrogen and progesterone. ठीक है. Now along with it, I want to discuss one more thing along with you. When an individual is attaining sexual maturity, or when a male or female is attaining sexual maturity, means at the age of puberty, there are some changes in the body structure of the individual. ठीक है, and these are vigorous changes which take place in the human body at the time of the sexual maturity or puberty. Now some changes are very common and some changes are quite different. Now one by one I will discuss what are the common changes and what are the differences between boys and girls. So the first common change is thick hair growth in the armpits and genital area at the age of the puberty. In both male and female, armpit में hair growth start हो जाती है, ठीक है, as well as some hair growth which are called as pubic hairs. मतलब between the thighs or near about the genital areas, hair growth starts, and these hairs are called as pubic hair. ठीक है. And if you will observe the body in legs, arms or faces, thin hair growth starts. And one more common change, oily skin becomes oily and appearance of pimples starts. These are the common changes which are present in both male and female. Means thick hair growth in the armpits, or hair growth, pubic hair growth means the hair growth near about the genital organs. Second, thinner hairs are start to grow in the legs, face and arms. Skin becomes oily and pimples become to appear. Pimple starts to appear. Now there are some differences in the changes, means they are only in the boys and they are only in the girls. So basically, initially I am talking about girls. In girls, the breast size begins to increase, because in future the girls has to feed their young ones, so they need mammary glands for it. So the size increases in the girls. And while the breast is going to be increased, ठीक है, the nipples are becoming more blackish in color, or they are more darkening. And the most important feature which starts in human female, menstrual cycle, means menstruation occurs. Menstruation is a cycle of each 28 days in which one unfertilized egg comes out through the vaginal tract along with the blood. ठीक है. Now accept it, there are few more changes. The voice of the girls becomes more softened. ठीक है. And the pelvic region means the hip bone becomes more broader. ठीक है. While in boys thick facial hair growth occurs. तो boys में क्या होता है, beard आ जाती है, mustache आ जाती है. Voice becomes to crack. As we studied that in girls the voice becomes sweetened, but in boys the voice becomes to crack. And along with it, penis, male reproductive structure, occasionally begins to become enlarged and erect. So during the time of the intercourse it becomes enlarged and erect. Now last one, puberty. So as you all know that the puberty is the age at which the sex hormones or gametes begin to produce and the boy or girl becomes sexually mature. So this is the stage when the sexual organs, means gamete producing organs, testis or ovary, are becoming active, and the girl or the boy becomes sexually mature. Today I am concluding myself. I hope so that today's topic is clear, very simple, and you understood it very well. Still, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can ask me. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.